Hey guys, this is Ayman from Ammyfied Customs. Today I would like to show the car we recently made. I'll just walk through the car and I'll tell you how it goes. We have fixed a off-road bumper with the Hella 3003 with 31-inch tires and Ammyfied Customs suspension. As you can see, this car has rock sliders, a custom-made free-flow exhaust with off-road steel rims. This is our in-house custom-made bumper with the tire carrier. As you can see, this has 31-inch tires, so there is no problem, no jarring, no rattling, nothing. This is pretty sturdy. This car has a working snorkel with Canon air filters, Apollo kit. As all our cars, even this car has a brand new dashboard, new speedometer, new steering wheel. You can check out the interiors. It's as good as in showroom condition. And we have installed Suzuki Swift seats, which are height adjustable, and these are very comfortable with the car.